Good news! The Armed Forces of the Philippines received a Beechcraft Hawker aircraft, donated by the San Miguel Corporation on Thursday, May 5. A formal acceptance, turnover, and blessing ceremony was presided over by Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana at the Villamor Air Base in Pasay City. He was joined by SMC Chief Executive Officer, Ramon Ang. The Hawker 800XP is a mid-size twinjet corporate aircraft acquired by SMC in 2022. It was donated to the Department of National Defense and turned over to the AFP. A ceremonial champagne pouring and turnover of documents to the AFP highlighted the activity. AFP Chief of Staff General Andres Centino received the documents on behalf of the AFP. The Philippine Air Force will utilize the Hawker 800XP as a command and control aircraft. It will work in tandem or as an alternative system to the Gulfstream G280 acquired by the AFP in 2020. The aircraft will likewise be operated by the 250th Presidential Airlift Wing. Thank you for watching. For more update, don't forget to like and subscribe.